Alright, so you can add this to the vlog basically here. The shop right now, we're getting some stuff done. We're getting tire change off. We're buying this 30.19. You can see here how we was driving last night. So when I tell you all yesterday that the tire the bad, let me look at that here. Tire the bad guys, so it wasn't making an excuses, but yeah, we can pop this here up on there. And then we can get the bonnet. And then we can get alignment done as well. The last thing to do would be to get the rim repaired because obviously from running such a low profile, and not my fault, but this was what was on the car. We ended up getting some dents in the rim and stuff like that. So the rim is a real strong rim. It really surprised me, and I'm really happy with that. But yeah, so we would hopefully in the future, my plan is to either go up to 45 on these rims, or to drop to 18s and go up to 45 on them. But you know, we can play it out by ear. Right, so we're just looking to get alignment, and then I'm gonna look and see if we can get the wheel bonnets after this, and we'll be done with tires for now. What we're gonna shoot. Alright, so we're underneath the car here. We know looking. Surface rough. Running?
Rocking or running? Yeah, this is.
Okay.
That was
We're gonna tell it that, yeah, that was steering for sure.
I wasn't saying anything, but yeah, it was bad. It was, you know, that one. You've been shaking, so you gotta get running and rocking.
Okay, so
Slightly, but to auto cylinders.
okay.
Auto, and there's no showing new car.
That's good. So yeah, man, this is the last stop here this year. We're just getting the tire balance. So once we balance up, that's it for the tires, and we go check. We did get a check on the car to see what it would need to finish up the basic alignment, you can see. And so you know, we know what we have to do in that regard. So we can work on that. Yeah, it's pretty accomplished to do what we were able to get done. And also was able to look on this account and see some other stuff that we could work out. So overall pretty successful there. And it's just like, you know, you're taking off and gathering more information on what needs to be done to basically complete the build. And then once the build is complete at a standard level, it will then finish it. Okay. So once the build is completed, then we will go on to modify the car, you know? Vlog, so doing a quick video here, changing the fuel pump and the VVT solenoids on my car. So first thing I'm doing, or did is disconnect the battery so that when they play around there and they don't blow. Or they got the back seat out, so they just take off the connection piece with that cover. Then take out the fuel pump and switch it in the way. Alright, so here are the solenoids that we're gonna be using. And here are here is the fuel pump as well as the seals. So we have brand new assembly, some holes there, seals there, and connection piece, some sort of flange there too. And they got the soldering pieces as well to connect. That might be used for a different purpose. That's really good that they gave me that. And yeah, so we can just install this here now. Take it from there. Alright, so just we're taking out these screws. Any particular screwdriver. That's the same thing for all the screws. Right, so we take off the fuel pump, put in the new one. We attach the hose first, which will be a rubber hose you will see on the inside. I can take this back out to show that.
Basically.
Inside, right. And then you can just reattach this, put on the seal, and screw it back down. No so sharp. The only thing we got to do now is to get off the gray piece off the other fuel pump and put it on here. So, yeah. So we pretty much done here. Just go reconnect this line here, which is the fuel line. And the gas light went off and stuff, so that's great. So we believe it should be working. what we'll do to test them now is we'll put some gas in the car. We got a tank in the back, and then we will see if the level move up. But if you go here now, put in the key and just turn the ignition so you can see that your light is on. You see the floor. You need to move just a little bit. So we put E right now. But what should happen then is when I put in this gas, the gas is on. And because we low, you think? So yeah, we just put this gas in the car just to see if it is that it working or not. If the car just genuinely put E, that the light on. Because that could be a case, the pump working and everything. So you know the pump working because the car start. So just like you do this part here, no one for the show. But if this at least move the needles, then they get to go right down with that. Check it out. Ah, yes. He going up. He going up. Victory going there. First say hello till we get this thing work. Done with that, and they going for here, you can't. Big mechanic. I never be that way, so. What, you gonna do the VVT solenoid now? Because it's car. Do the VVT solenoid now. Right, so we got the VVT solenoid for bike 1 on the driver's side taken off. We're about to replace it with this one. So we just basically going to be doing exactly this. You just match it up. Oh shit, okay. So yeah, so you basically see that, yeah, this is the same side. Same solenoid, everything. And then you just get the gasket that comes in the kit. And you know, put it on. Maybe put it right back on from here. You connect the sensor. And that's pretty much it. Let's go. What's up, man? Right, so right now we just taking it down the solenoid. We got it on. So then we're gonna take off the other side and finish the and everything. So we got the bike 1 solenoid done. We're gonna do bike 2. We believe that will be pretty successful so far. So we finished buying solenoids. I ain't talking more. We're going to watch for the revs to come down, as well as and then after that we will see how it looks. See the car here. I think that the car, what the man was saying, the car is going to learn. Oh, it doesn't know. So the first good technically the car, kind of rushing to get with my mechanic. We want to check it out. He also gets some progress with his car. The car sounds really different. So when I get on a smoother road, I'm going to press it again so you can hear. But it really sounds now like it's using the engine. Before, I guess we was just using, I don't know, small cams. It really sounds now like the bigger cams opening up. So can't really get on a bigger road here. Hold on one sec. So just waiting to get a little space here. Wow. I know where he's at. I had all the solenoid, but we had the sensor connected, so we had a code here coming up. We're gonna see if it come up still or if it going.
51 come back.
51, but not a problem because we deal with 51, right? We got something. This sensor piece here will jump out. We connect it before we left one. We should be a little better here now. And the quarter came back, so. This is on the PC 051, which is the oxygen sensor. which is bank 2, which will be this side up top. So we can try to see if we can find a lift to work on that, because that's pretty hard to find otherwise. Yeah, buddy.
It was a nice sample parameters. I think probably somewhere different, yeah?
I think the RPM was a little bit lower. I think it was like 690 something. Around that time. Yeah. Alright, so we're gonna go for the first test here. Yes, boy.
Feel better,
yes. Yes, boy. Yes. That's what we wanted this to feel, boy. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. How you feeling, your kid, too?
Feel good.
As we're talking about it, man. As we're talking about it.
Feel big, man.
Crawl back down here, big man. And the thing hit the limiter here. And we shift down. Power solar. I see you.
The more power beat in our first gear.
Let me hold on. Yo! Yo. That shit's so crazy, man. Yeah. You want to blow back so close. You want to blow back so close then.